Ganito kasi yung daddy. When people do not understand your pain, they will never see the weight of forgiveness that God allowed you to give to other people. It is through God's story through your life, through God's story through the forgiveness that is in you. And let's say, na-forgive ko, okay, ano naman? Hindi nila makikita na hindi mo kayang mag-forgive sa bigat ng kasalanan nila sa iyo. It is only through God's help that you're able to forgive. Ayun yun. People will invalidate every struggles that I have. And sasabihin nila na kasinungalingan lahat-lahat ng mga pinagsasabi ko. Not until meron ako evidence. Not until meron may mag-testify na totoo lahat yun. Diba? And then, may witness ka na, then your story becomes true. And when your story becomes true, then they will understand the weight of the pain, how hurtful it was to release the forgiveness. And they will realize na it's not you, that it is not through your power and through your own strength that you're able to forgive other people, only through God's grace. Sinong na-relief? Kaninong praise? Praise ko ba? O praise na para sa Diyos? I'm not being glorified. Ang bait naman niya kasi nag-forgive siya. No, that's not the goal. The goal is to let people know that God is good enough and able to help me to do beyond my capability. What do you saw, guys? That's it. Or is this bullying true? Is this experience true? Once they confirmed it's true, and hindi lang ako yung nagkukwento nun, at may witness ako, at may ibang magpo-prove na totoo lahat ng yun. Because it's not just based on a person's story, diba? Parang kwento ni Jesus na kung walang nakakita ng nabuhay si Jesus nun, there will be no proof. God choose women. Bakit? Women do analyze. No matter how I speak about my life struggles, there are some people kasi na keep choosing the wrong side. They're making lies to tell you na, oh, hindi naman totoo yan, gawa-gawa mo yan. Or especially, if the person that is also involved, pwede niya i-deny na yung ginawa niya is totoo. And then, syempre, i-deny lang niya yun. Di para ka nang magmumukhang bitter, insecure, at tagagawa ng kwento para lang kaawaan ka ng ibang tao. So, what's the difference? Collect people that is willing to tell, I'm your witness, and I can tell the story. It's not to wreck someone's life. Parang si King Herod. Sabi niya, hindi ko naman gustong papatay si Jesus. Hindi ko naman pinapatay yung mga bata. Pero nung pinapatay ni King Herod yung mga bata nung time na yun, ang witness ng time na yun is yung mga magulang ng bata. Who can prove that King Herod is a bad person? Bakit kailangan pang ikwento sa Bible yung ginawa ni King Herod? So they could collect people to revenge for Jesus at the time, or for the family of those na namatayan ng mga bata? Hindi naman, di ba? Not to encourage everyone to hate the person, but to support that this story is true. Not to encourage someone to revenge for the sake ng mga namatay na bata, but to support the story of Jesus, that his story is true. That's the use of witnesses, those people who will willingly testify for the truth. Especially nowadays, information is everywhere, but it's hard to know if it's true or not. But the power is within those souls who are willing to testify.